Hello, it's me again, Japheth Kigen, and you know what we're gonna talk about today? It's nature. Please subscribe and like the video, and don't forget to comment something good. So, today we're gonna talk about nature. Who knows what nature is? Nature is something that is everywhere, everywhere. And we use it like nature give us fossil fuels, everything that we make. Like this was made by nature. Yeah, nature made it. Even the phone, nature made it. So this was nature which we use for heat. This was used for nature to comfort. That was used by nature. And that, you see, so we go. That was many things are made by nature. So like paper, what is paper made out of? Paper is made out of water and bamboo. So did you see the combinations? Okay. So, did you know that if you cut trees, there will be climate change? Climate change kills animals. Animals are killed, as humans will be dead too. The truth.
What's wrong, Koba? Your video did so well today. You should be celebrating. That's what it's like too, but turns out we didn't make enough money as
Don't cut trees. If you don't want climate change, don't cut trees. Plant more trees. There will be no global warming. Yes. Let's sing. Let's create a song. Unnatural thing is something that is everywhere. Everything we have is made by natural. Yeah. Climate change is something bad. Don't cut trees if you don't want climate change. Don't want climate change. Plant some trees. Plant many trees. Because trees give us air. And air make us breathe. That was awesome. Good. So today we're gonna talk about nature. You know that, but nature was like 1,000 million, after it's billion years ago. Nature was born.
Okay. So how much money did you have
It was born.
for making the video?
Did you say the Big Bang? It came, make this world. It was lava alone. And lava is nature. Like natural disasters. Lava, volcano, that's one. Tsunami, that's two. Hurricane, tornado, there is many landscapes, earthquakes, many natural disasters. Because Mother Nature gave us. Yeah. Okay. Did you know that humans, monkeys, even when I was told, I was thinking, why are they monkeys? So, you're gonna think that out. Bye. I'm gonna